In this video, I will show you how to report account on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and navigate to the account you want to report. You can do this by searching for the username using the search bar at the top, or you can find their profile through one of their videos. And once you're on the profile page of the account you want to report, look for three dots or arrow in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open a menu at the bottom with several options. In the menu, click on Report option, and then TikTok will ask you to choose a reason for reporting the account. So select the reason that best fits the issue, such as inappropriate content, spam, or misleading information. And once you have selected a reason, TikTok might ask you to provide more details or mark specific videos or comments that violate community guidelines. So add any necessary information to ensure the report is clear. And after you have filled out the required information, click on Submit to send your report to TikTok. And they will review the account and take appropriate action if it violates their guidelines.